Series we will see how to install and set up Drupal 8. First we will need to download Drupal 8. I have searched Drupal 8 over here. Go to Drupal 8 and download. Let's see when the download starts. The first thing is to download the Drupal 8 on your computer, and here it's given like download Drupal zip version. Let's download it. This is downloading Drupal 9. So first we need to find out the correct version of Drupal 8. Let's see if it downloads. Let's go over here. It says Drupal 8 and then download. It should start the download. This has downloaded Drupal 9. In the next series we will also see how to install and set up Drupal 9 on your local server. You can say local PC. Let's wait for some time till the time we can browse the website. It has module development, themes, translation, distributions. Okay, let's see how can we download Drupal 8. Just take over the mouse and see. This is the latest release notes. So it's hard to get Drupal 8 version because when I click on the download, Drupal download, it starts downloading Drupal 9.3. First we need to find out correct version of Drupal downloads. Download Drupal 8. Let's go for this one. It should have archives. These are the live sessions I am creating. This is the actual way how we found and download the correct version. This will help you even to search how to get the correct versions. Take over the mouse. Yeah, this is the correct version. Download Drupal 8. See, Drupal 8.9.20 has been downloaded. So once you download the version, then you will need to unzip it. In my system, it automatically extracts the files. So now Drupal 8 has been downloaded. Now the next step is to move Drupal 8 version to our root folder of the server. I will give it a name, Drupal 8 demo, correct? And now I will move the project. This www is my root directory of my local server. I will move it over here. So you can see Drupal 8 demo. Now in the next series, I will show you how to install Drupal 8 on your local PC. The procedure is same even on the live web server. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.